roti basket, a basket for fruits. Let us fill this yummy basket of fruits. Here comes the red apple, the apple is red. Let's find more fruits as you're marching ahead. Here comes a banana, a yummy banana. An apple and banana in my lovely fruit basket. Here comes an orange, a juicy yummy orange. An orange, a banana and an apple in my basket.
What is in your picnic basket? Picnic basket, picnic basket. What is in your picnic basket, my sister Debbie?
It's a yummy vegetable sandwich with some lettuce and tomato. A yummy, yummy vegetable sandwich which is very healthy. What is in your picnic basket? Picnic basket, picnic basket. What is in your picnic basket, my brother Derek?
It's a bag of French fries, a pizza, a burger, a soda and some cake too, but that is really unhealthy.
This is all unhealthy food, not good for you or for me. This is all unhealthy food, not good for our body.
Thanks for the meal! Yum, 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 eat it too! Yum, 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 healthy meal! Yum, 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 eat it too! Let's have a healthy meal! Yum, yum! Don't be picky, no, no! Let's have a healthy meal! Don't be whiny, no, no! Let's have a tasty meal! Broccoli, tomatoes, onions, peppers, and black beans! Have a seat and eat well! Let's have a healthy meal, okay? Chomp, 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 chomp! Eat them all! Don't be picky, no, no! Let's have a healthy meal! Don't be whiny, no, no! Let's have a tasty meal! Green spinach, potatoes, carrots, mushrooms, and celery! Eating healthy makes me strong. Let's have a tasty meal, okay? Yum, 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 eat it too! Yum, 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 healthy meal!
We're having rotis and Indian curry for lunch today.
Roti curry, let's make roti